Welcome to the Drone Network.
Here we go again, folks. I'ma show you how to do this, son. Hey. Big things poppin' and little things stoppin'. Hey. Big things poppin' and little things stoppin'. Hey. Big things poppin' and little things stoppin'. Hey. Ball on these suckers, shout it, lose, it's not an option now. Do it, do it, do it, what you waiting for? Cause I'ma do it, do it, what you waiting for? Do it, do it, do it, what you waiting for? Do it, do it, do it. Now let me hear you say, big things poppin' and little things stoppin'. Big things poppin' and little things stoppin'. Big things poppin' and little things stoppin'. Ball on these suckers, shout it, lose, it's not an option now. Do it to the maximum. Take it while you asking them. Don't listen to them sucker when they say you too irrational. I said I was king and them lanes started laughing them. Same sucker now, want the king on the track. I compose several classicals, you know, like Top Bad, dope boy, bring them out and what you know about that. Now they ask high top, what you know about that. Dominated old sick, now I'm going right back. See me right here, let her show just like that. Even this hell say damn, I ain't know it like that. Yeah, still bankhead, you can tell. Ain't nothing changed but the name on the mail. I still kicking door with them things in the air. Up in Benny Hunter, see me slang in them jail. We a slang, no such thing as a jail. Say you need 100, it just came up. Let's do it, do it, do it, what you waiting for? Cause I'ma do it, do it, what you waiting for? Do it, do it, do it, what you waiting for? Do it, do it, do it. Now let me hear you say, big things poppin' and little things stoppin'. Big things poppin' and little things stoppin'. Big things poppin' and little things stoppin'. Ball on these suckers, shout it, lose, it's not an option now. Do it like a ball player when you see me ball, laying stacks, tall ball player from the stage to the air, whether in Miami, Cincinnati, or in Riverdale, Arizona, California, make it rain anywhere. Not in public, shout it, who you think you finna scare? I send them that you had you going in your underwear. I told a pair of 40s on me, so you better tone it down. I suggest you just prepare yourself for when it going down. 8-Town, West Side Club, crew should catch me right up at the top, where Big Country drawing Mac B. Jack a line, say they caught me slipping, how could that be? I'm something like a stalker, I be here where the be the trap be. Jumping with the $100 slab. If I want it, I could get 100 on the tail. Sell them all, double down, do the math. Think I won't pull up in something with 200 on the dash. I do it, do it, what you waiting for? Cause I'ma do it, do it, what you waiting for? Do it, do it, what you waiting for? Do it. Now let me hear you say, big things poppin' and little things stoppin'. Big things poppin' and little things stoppin'. Big things poppin' and little things stoppin'. Ball on these suckers, shout it, lose, it's not an option now. I do it like I wanna do it right in front of you. Real vision pimpin', I ain't seeing none of you. I do it for my partner, Phil, daughter, and their mama too. I do it for my oldest sons and their grandmama too. Do it for my daughters and my youngest son, mama, who go by what she want because she know it ain't a problem too. You do something to them and then you, I bring the drummer too. You do it for a day or so, we do it for a month or two. I do it for my partner, gon' make sure them it's stuntin' too. We do it with them, ain't no problem, where you ready to? We do it for the block, that's why ain't nobody stopping me. I do it for my pop and my cousin too, they watching me. I did it non-stop, now see how these rappers capping me. I made it from the bottom to the top, where I ought to be. Who do it, did good, who do it different. No matter what I do, you know I do it the day I think I'ma do it.
So I kind of like it. I say kind of, but I do like it. The
telemetry lost.
Sorry about
Telemetry recovered.
I'm gonna try to put some HQs on it. He's got these racecraft, so kind of see if I don't tame it down a little bit. Seems a little angry, but we got some pretty ugly video lines in the video at all times. But I see the VTX is mounted like right on top of the flight controller, just with some black tape. So we'll go ahead and put it mounted to the frame with some thick servo tape or something like that. We'll get it done. Thank you for watching.